The Rogue Journeymen Belt Brigade fire truck is ready to show up just about anywhere and manufacture leather belts. We have taken American-made, handcrafted off-road. This short video will show the process and how we make belts. We are a bunch of bicycle mechanics who can set up anywhere our fire truck can travel as a super unique pop-up manufacturer. Here is our process. We prep the leather to send through our strap cutter by creating one straight edge. Then our strap cutter does all the really hard work. Measuring out equal sized belts. With the straps cut and ready, we have a mobile press that can apply 4 tons of pressure and belt dies to press out the half where the buckles sit and then the other half where the holes are. After skiving down the end, we fold over the leather and add a loop with the buckle. A couple rivets and half the belt is ready. After measuring the length of the person, we press out the holes and then the end. Our final step is a logo, a name, or perhaps the coordinates of where we might have set up our pop-up fire truck, Belt Brigade. Everything is ready for adventure and just about anywhere for company picnics, weddings, bachelor parties, and all kinds of fun things. See you soon somewhere with the Rogue Journeyman Belt Brigade. And thanks for watching our short video.